Quick video on these tie down straps. It comes in a bag like this. There's 4 of them. I've been using these for years. I really like them. I usually use them in my truck because they're just so much easier to use than the big ratchet straps. Depending on what you're doing, they're completely fine. Usually holding down tarps and things like that. So you can see how these work like that. You know, I have it strapped up there. So this is like where everything, this is the business side of everything. So it locks, right? So you can see it kind of ratchets and locks, and then you can't pull it. If you pull this little lever that's inside here, it releases it, right? And then I can pull this out just like that. So works very well. Both sides have a hook, and I use these on my pickup truck most of the time. That's where I'm using them. I've also used them when I'm camping to tie down tarps because they work really well. And it's good for like that lighter duty stuff up to pretty hardcore because these are like nylon ropes. They're pretty strong. This would probably hold me up if I wanted it to. So yeah, just wanted to make a quick video. I like that it's a 4-pack, and these are bigger actually than the ones that I've gotten before, which I really like. So you look, they are bigger than the other ones. Right, so you see the size, it's almost the size of your hand. Usually a lot smaller than this. So I like the size. This is a 1/4 inch size. And yeah, they're really nice. I'm out.